Imagine discovering a fish that was thought to have gone extinct 66 million years ago, only to find it alive and well in the depths of the ocean. Meet the coelacanth, a living fossil that defied extinction. But how has this ancient species survived when so many others have perished? Welcome to Fast Animal Facts. Today we're diving into the fascinating concept of survival of the fittest and exploring why some animals are so well adapted that they're nearly impossible to wipe out. From ancient creatures like the coelacanth to the resilient cockroach, these species have mastered the art of survival in ways that will leave you amazed. In today's world, countless species face existential threats. Habitat loss, climate change, and human activities are pushing many animals to the brink of extinction. But why is it that some species seem to thrive despite these challenges? What sets them apart in this high-stakes game of survival? The answer lies in their remarkable adaptive traits. Let's take a closer look at some of the most resilient survivors in the animal kingdom. First up, the horseshoe crab. This ancient creature has existed for over 450 million years. What's its secret? Horseshoe crabs have a hard exoskeleton and a simple yet highly efficient immune system that protects them from many types of infections. Their blue blood, which contains amoebocytes used in detecting bacterial endotoxins, is key to their survival. They thrive in various environments, particularly coastal areas where they lay their eggs, and they have survived multiple mass extinction events. Next, the Nautilus. The Nautilus has been around for approximately 500 million years. Its spiral shell not only provides buoyancy, but also acts as a protective shield. Living in deep ocean waters with a slow metabolism, the Nautilus has managed to stay relatively safe from predators and environmental changes. Then we have the alligator. With a history dating back over 80 million years, alligators have powerful jaws, thick skin, and the ability to regulate their body temperature through behavior. This means they adjust their activity levels and seek out environments, like basking in the sun or cooling off in water, to maintain their optimal body temperature. They can thrive in a variety of freshwater environments and have shown a remarkable ability to adapt to changing conditions. Let's not forget the tuatara. This reptile has been around for around 200 million years and is native to New Zealand. Tuataras have a slow metabolism, a unique jaw structure, and even a third parietal eye. This parietal eye, also known as the third eye, is located on the top of their head and is sensitive to light. It helps regulate their circadian rhythms and seasonal behaviors, although it doesn't function as a primary visual organ. These traits have helped them survive unchanged for millions of years. Sharks are another fascinating example. Sharks have existed for over 400 million years, evolving a wide range of adaptations, including highly developed senses, powerful swimming capabilities, and a variety of feeding strategies. Their adaptability and dominance in marine environments have made them one of the most successful predators in the ocean. Next, we have the cockroach. Cockroaches are the ultimate survivors, having been around for over 300 million years. They can withstand radiation levels far beyond what would kill a human, survive for weeks without food, and even live for a week without their heads. Their ability to thrive in a wide range of environments, from tropical climates to urban settings, and their fast reproduction rate have made them one of the most resilient species on Earth. Finally, meet the tardigrade. Tardigrades, also known as water bears, are microscopic animals that have been around for about 500 million years. These tiny creatures are famous for their incredible resilience. Tardigrades can survive extreme temperatures, from nearly absolute zero to over 300 degrees Fahrenheit, intense radiation, and even the vacuum of space. They achieve this by entering a state called cryptobiosis, where they dry out and essentially shut down their metabolic processes, allowing them to endure conditions that would be lethal to most other life forms. The key to the success of these resilient animals often lies in their evolutionary advantages. Whether it's the cockroach's remarkable resilience to radiation and extreme conditions, or the Nautilus's ability to live in deep ocean waters, these adaptations allow them to survive in environments that are constantly changing. It's this ability to adapt to rapid changes that makes these species so difficult to wipe out. To sum up, the survival of the fittest is not just about strength or speed. It's about adaptability. The species that have survived for millions of years have done so by evolving traits that allow them to thrive in even the harshest conditions. From the ancient coelacanth to the ever-resilient cockroach, understanding these survival strategies is crucial, especially in today's world where many species are at risk. What's the most fascinating animal adaptation you've heard about today? Let us know in the comments. And if you're curious about more incredible animal facts, check out our other video, Immortal Animals, the Creatures That Never Die. Keep exploring the wild wonders of the animal kingdom with us at Fast Animal Facts. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.